How to buy tickets from Kyoto to Tokyo. If you're traveling from Kyoto to Tokyo and you are not sure where to book your ticket, here is a simple option I recommend. Okay, so I use omio.com. So this is the official Omio website to compare different travel options and book transportation in one place. So just use the link in the description of this video and enter Kyoto as your departure point. So here just add Kyoto and add Tokyo as your destination next to Kyoto, okay? Then select your travel dates and you will see available travel options, guys. Of course, you have option to add return date and option to add more passengers. You can compare train, buses, and flights so you can choose the option that works best for your budget and schedule. For the train, you can see the departure and arrival station, travel time, ticket price, and available departure times. You can also check the route on the map and see exactly where you're leaving from and where you will arrive. Once you find the option you want, simply select and follow the steps to book your ticket. So here you need to scroll down a little bit. Also, you have train photos to check your train. Here is the total price for this ticket, okay? Also, you have option to reserve your seat, and after that, click this red button over here, go to passenger details. Here, you need to add your email address, first name, last name, your country, and after that, go to payment options. And guys, basically, that's it.